116 days, 13 hours and 11 minutes. That's how long it would take us to walk to our next destination. And that's why we took the plane. Here the drinks grow in the trees, the soups are spicy, fighting is in their DNA, and the way of transportation is special. This is the place where we filmed the wedding of Luke and Julia. Welcome to Thailand.
I think last year I've indulged myself in all the beautiful things that traveling life can give you. I think mentally it'll be a very good challenge for me as well to just make sure that I don't have to drink 7 days a week to have fun, right? Well, let's try.
I'm a little late for the Muay Thai.
With a couple of hours sleep, we made it to our first Muay Thai session with Coach Sam. I searched for a personal trainer in Phuket and we found Sam. And really, he's a legend.
Ik ben echt een diehard amateur, man.
Zijn push-ups of schieten?
Oh, sorry.
Fucking hell.
How does it feel?
Push-up? Good, man.
It was Robin's first time. Look at him. Pop! Elbow. Pop!
Zo, eerste sessie, zeg het maar.
Easy, man. Het is alleen een beetje warm. En ik heb last van mijn nek. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
After the training, we spent some time at the beach. We hydrated ourselves with some coconuts.
Beautiful. Thank you.
And a beer. I mean, we still have to enjoy ourselves, no?
Lekker hoor.
The next day, a run.
Resolutions, motherfuckers.
Keep jogging.
Klaar voor? Nee, jij? Nee.
I never thought the day would come that I would actually run with Robbie. Look at him. What a stud.
So we got evidence for the parents that we're doing this shit.
Up and running.
Yeah, so aside from our resolution, damn. So
500 meters in.
So it's not only our resolution to, I don't know, to take more adventure and to do less binge drinking on location.
2 out of 2, baby.
Exactly. We also want to move a little bit more. So that's what's up.
Oh, fucking hell.
Hey Ryan.
Somebody cup, homie.
What the fuck?
Kom maar binnen.
As you know, we use a lot of gear. We have cinema cameras, Super 8, VHS, tripods, the whole shebang. And of course, New Year is also a great time to buy some new gear. We have a 10mm lens f2.8 with autofocus, which is pretty crazy.
How cool, right? They even fit on the...
We have a new fisheye lens for our VHS, which is great for the behind the scenes. And this is something we're actually very excited about.
What do you have there?
We thought it would be convenient to have some communication going on.
Reins. What?
Because at a lot of venues that we go, everything is pretty big. And we just think this is fun.
Yeah, we think it's a lot of fun.
I think it's a lot of fun, yeah. It looks, I mean, admittedly, I think it looks a little dorky.
Yeah, it looks horrible.
Oh joh, het werkt heel goed. What the fuck? Over.
This is pretty crazy. But yeah, I think it's gonna work. He's almost back. The connection is incredible.
It looks
Bond.
kind of bad, no?
James Bond.
I love it.
Alright, enough with all the activities, unfortunately. We have a couple shoot today with Julia and Luke, and the weather is... Yeah, it's fucking warm. After the couple shoot, we'll go to a Muay Thai fight with everybody, which I'm very excited about. And then the coming 2 days will be full with wedding events.
Productie thee van me.
We started the couple shoot in a tuk-tuk, and then we went for a walk on the beach. Look at Robin assisting me, isn't he great? It's unbelievable. Then they practiced their first dance, which looked incredible. Mainly because Julia is a professional dancer and yeah, Luke also got some moves. Love you, Luke. We ended the couple shoot with some questions and then it was time for the Muay Thai fight. A great way to end the first shooting.
Party time.
Party time, baby.
I got the rest forever. Stop with playing how you just.
Hij is klaar voor hoor. To be honest, I think I like Muay Thai way more than I thought.
Zien we er ook weer uit.
I think that I've always thought of fighting sports to be somewhat, I don't know, feral or primitive. But I don't know, after examining it one more time and also after doing it myself, I think I've experienced that it's nothing more than a game where people willingly just beat each other in the face. And to be honest, that can be really fun. Oh, we need to tell you one little detail about this wedding. Last year, back in October, we went to Rome to shoot the wedding of Michael and Joyce. Here's a little refresher. A couple of days after this wedding, we got an email from Luke, Michael's best man, asking whether we would come to Thailand to shoot his wedding. And we were like, hey, this is actually very fun, just to shoot a wedding with almost the same friend group that we already met here. So, you know what? Let's pack our bags and go.
Kapot warm ook, man.
So the venue that we're shooting at today is very, 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 very special. It's not a real established wedding-specific venue, but it's a house. And it's the house of Mohan Murjani, a billionaire. He literally built this fantastic place on this mountain here in Phuket. So yeah, this definitely is a very special place.
Like two morons. Or we maybe look somewhat professional now, maybe.
Heb je het ook warm?
Ik heb het heel warm, ja, zeker nu.
So after a week full of sun, good vibes, sharing love, and a lot of sunlight, it feels kind of bittersweet to head back home again. It feels like we're getting the chance to do so many fun things in such intense little small pockets of time that sometimes it starts to feel surreal, and I'm just really happy that we have the pictures and the videos to relive everything.
So,
So,
last evening.
yeah. So, today we're gonna swap roles a little bit. This always makes me a little bit awkward, to be honest, because the thing is, I don't know, I never told you actually, but I'm getting married this year. So, congratulations to me, right?
Maybe in a couple of years when the storm has calmed down a little bit, we get an extra chance to relive it and to, I don't know, to be even more appreciative and grateful of all the cool things that we get to do with our lives. Because after all, at the end of the day, I still feel that whenever I'm asking myself if I'm doing the right thing, I still feel that I'm living my dream life.
It's a wrap. Wil je nog even zwaaien? We'll see you next time.
Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye, Thailand. It's raining
What
now.
do we say?
What do we say?
Kanika!